Benjamin Franklin, 1706-1790, was a multifaceted American icon, excelling as a printer, publisher, author, inventor, scientist, and diplomat. Born in Boston as the 10th son of a soap and candle maker, he had limited formal education but taught himself to write effectively. At 16, he gained early acclaim with his Silence Dogood essays. Moving to Philadelphia at 17, his ventures, including the Pennsylvania Gazette and Poor Richard's Almanac, made him wealthy. His civic contributions, such as founding the Library Company of Philadelphia, were notable. Retiring at 42, Franklin focused on scientific studies, making groundbreaking experiments with electricity, including the famous kite experiment, which proved that lightning is electricity, and inventing the lightning rod. His research introduced concepts like the battery, the conductor, and terms such as charge and discharge. Franklin played a crucial role in drafting the Declaration of Independence, securing French support during the American Revolution, and contributing to the U.S. Constitution. He was instrumental in negotiating the 1783 Treaty of Paris, which ended the Revolutionary War. As an ambassador to France, his charm and wit won him many admirers and crucial support for the American cause. His inventions extended beyond electricity. He also created bifocal glasses, the Franklin stove, and the glass harmonica. Additionally, he proposed ideas like matching grants and daylight saving time. Franklin's legacy as a symbol of American ingenuity and enterprise endures, encapsulated in his multifaceted achievements and promotion of hard work and self-improvement. His civic contributions in Philadelphia included founding a fire company, a library, an insurance company, an academy, and a hospital. He was a member of the Philadelphia City Council, Justice of the Peace, and a member of the Pennsylvania Assembly. In 1753, he became Deputy Postmaster General, influencing postal services across the colonies. His vision for a unified colonial government, although initially unsuccessful, laid the groundwork for future American unity. In 1785, Franklin returned reluctantly to America, facing a mixed reception. He feared he would be a stranger in his own country, and some criticized his time in France. Congress ignored his requests for land and a diplomatic post for his grandson. In 1788, he petitioned Congress to abolish slavery, which provoked heated debates. Franklin's commitment to social progress and justice was evident even in his final years. Shortly before his death in 1790, he signed a memorial to end slavery, continuing his lifelong advocacy for human rights. Posthumously, his autobiography and Poor Richard's Maxims transformed his legacy, making him a hero to 19th-century artisans and self-made businessmen. These writings highlighted his values of thrift, hard work, and education, and have been quoted for generations. Despite critiques by later writers, Franklin's enduring image remains that of a natural genius and an exemplar of the American dream. His life story, from humble beginnings to a key figure in the founding of the United States, continues to inspire. His multifaceted contributions, from scientific discoveries to civic innovations and diplomatic achievements, embody the spirit of enterprise and opportunity that defines America.